Robert again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon I want to share with you one of the other opportunities that I am involved with, called CT Passive. This business has been running now for virtually 6 months and is still paying out on a regular basis. You can get involved with as little as $5, as that is the price of the ad packs. Each ad pack will pay you 1.5% daily for 100 days. There is also a 5-level referral program with commission starting at 8%. I have only joined quite recently myself, but as you can see from my dashboard, I already have $1.70 in my repurchase balance and $1.70 in my cash balance, and a small amount of referral commission of 40 cents. On your daily earnings, 50% goes into your cash balance and 50% goes into your repurchase balance. It is always a good idea that once your balance gets to $5, you buy yourself another ad pack, as the magical compounding effect will grow your business a lot faster. If you click on advertisement, you will see, I'll just do it for you. You can use the banner ads section, you can use my websites, and basically that means that you can advertise your other opportunities on this site and obviously get new members into your other ventures. The site is available in various languages at the moment, to include English, Spanish, Russian, Portuguese, French and German. It is a very nice laid out website and is very easy to navigate your way around it. There are no ads to watch each day, so the only work you need to do is to log daily into your account and see how your income is growing. I highly recommend this business venture, and if you wish to join, you will find my referral link in the description below the video. You can also send me a message if you have any queries. I look forward to welcoming you into my team in due course. Bye for now.